what's happening in the gator pit today. Let's see what we got, guys. Nice big old pit right there. That's a big old predator. Want to walk around, tandem, folding roof. Over here we got carnivore. Actually, we got two entertainers right here. Yeah, one's what I call a stretch entertainer. Check this bad boy out right here. Nice. Very, very nice. Over here, we got the entertainer stretch. It's got an extended upright and an extended main chamber. This one's not completely put together yet. It was pulled out of paint Friday of last week. Today is Monday, and we will be putting it together today. And what I mean by that is putting your gauges, your stainless steel cool touch handles on, your stainless steel shelf, hooking up the wiring on the lights, running, finishing of the gas lines, and then testing everything. Over here you got a nice big 24 by 48 grill. There's going to be a spare tire that's going to mount right there. We make our own spare tires. We don't buy those cheap little $9 ones at the local retail box stores. We actually make our own spare tire mounts. 1/4-inch thick tubing, 1/4-inch thick plate, and we actually use the same 1/2-inch studs in there that are on your wheel, so your lug nuts will fit that as well on your spare tire. Lose a lug nut down there, you've got a spare. There's going to be a sign that's going to go up top here for this customer's catering company. This is going to, I believe, New Mexico. That one's going to California. This one's going out today, actually. Notice they got a little grill over there too. So your smokers and your grills separate on your trailers are very popular with Gator Pit. These guys can cook any and everything they want, not to mention the boiler and the fryers up front. This has got a nice folding lid cover on it, his or hers. This one doesn't. This one's got a little area to store a little generator or something back there, a little ice chest. This one has the same thing. You can actually get a little Honda 2000 back there, one of the little whisper quiets if you need a generator wherever you're going. Beautiful, beautiful pits. This one's got a little more artwork to it. Got some Three Amigos. That's going to get painted metallic silver as well. Big birdhouse stacks. Over here, got that big pit I was telling you about earlier. It's got griddle top, folding griddle top, over 2 high pressure burners with a stainless steel cover. Very nice. Got some storage over there, long storage. That's 8, 9, 10. About 10 feet long of storage. Lots of storage. Big, beautiful pit. Electric brakes, all that good stuff. Nice folding roof. Nice custom wheels. This is the sign, Boyd's Box Car Barbecue. That's the sign that's going to be going on top of that pit over there. We'll be mounting that. Actually, that one. I pointed the wrong one. That one. We got that going on top of that pit today. Let's see what we got in the gator pit here. There's a party gator tricked out, waiting to get finished with the stainless steel tables and all the cool touch handles and gauges on it. We've got that's a 24 party gator. Here we got a 20-inch party gator. And then over here, there's that carnivore. I mentioned that carnivore earlier. I knew I had one around here somewhere. There it is. These pits are going to get checked out, inspected before they go out. That's why they have these sheets right here. I have 2 other welders that will inspect these completed pits, and then that sheet will go to me, and then I'll do my walkthrough on it as well. So quality control in Gator Pit is going to be all the way through the build process, through the paint process, and then through the final completion. You'll have 2 welders check it off, and then me, so that we don't miss anything, and our quality that you're paying for and that we're known for is going to be in that cooker when you get it. Building some meat racks or food racks. Got a big 24-48 going there, and we have the beginning of the smoker going over here. Let's see what else we got. We got our new shipment of Smoke Daddy Pellet Pro hoppers in. There's a few of them right there, and we got a pit right there. Looks like it's ready to be shipped out. That should be going out today. Very, very nice. And over here, we've got CRC barbecues. Nice custom cooker we built 5 or 6 years ago. He's brought it back for us to do a little maintenance on it. We're going to check the bearings and tires and do an inspection on it. Kevin Riley's the owner of CRC Barbecue, and this is his beautiful pit. It's dusty actually, so when it's clean, it's really pretty. What we got? He's got a nice grill on the back side of it as well, and we got some other little. That's my rental pit right there, and one of my smokers right here that I'm gonna use at the shop. That's 2448 offset, and of course I have the Gator Pit truck. Guys, that's what's happening in the Gator Pit. This is a typical day at the shop. You come here, this is what you're gonna see happening. My job is the pits, guys. Nothing but the pits. Gator Pit of Texas. I'm Rich Robin. Give me a call. See ya.